You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah. I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Hi guys, it's Kai and I'm back with another quick and easy hair tutorial. Girl, I already did this voiceover, but my freaking microphone wasn't on, so slow me. But anyways, going in, I'm just doing my normal routine when it comes to me doing a sleek ponytail. So I'm gonna have this as a high bun. So this is gonna be like a top knot bun. Girl, I just wanted to try to see if I could achieve it, and I made it happen. But anyways, I'm using 2 edge controls. Now, I always tell you guys that my favorite edge control is the Edge Effect by Magic. That's that big bottle tube that I have, and I use that to go in the crevices of my hair, just take it all through my hair. Now, when it comes to a high ponytail or a high bun or something, I like to start in the middle of my hair. So I just take the Edge Effect and I just use it in the middle of my hair, and then I go around the perimeter of my hair with that same edge control throughout the whole process. Now, when it comes to that second bottle, I like to take a second bottle of edge control just to lay down the edges or anything like that, just to, you know, kind of get that kitchen, girl, because that kitchen is rough. I need a line, and girl, we quarantining. I ain't finna get no lamb no time soon, okay? But anyways, yeah, I just take the second edge control and I use that for that. Now the second edge control that I'm actually using is a new one. That is the Edge Bay by the Canvas Beauty brand. To be honest, I'm not that fond of the edge control. Now, I love the Canvas Beauty brand, but I'm not too fond of the edge control, because if I'm using it on its own, it does nothing for my hair. But if I'm using it with something like I used it with the Edge Effect edge control, it was excellent. It literally lasted for about a good 3 days with holding my hair, like having my hair stay in place for like a good 3 days, for as long as I needed it to, with me having that top knot bun on my head. Now, this top knot bun is this is one of those hairstyles I like to do. Like, we're quarantining and you don't want to be sitting here looking ratchet all the time. So, girl, do something to your head, and you don't want to do too much. You don't want to be doing your hair all day. This is a quick and simple hairstyle you can do that won't take you all day. So I like to do like ponytails and buns and stuff like that, so I won't be looking ratchet. Even though I ain't gonna lie, I've been looking ratchet for about a good 2 months. I did my hair probably like once or twice since I've been quarantining. And girl, that when I did this hairstyle, it was probably like a month ago, but I still recorded it when I did it, and I hadn't done my hair since. But anyways, to go in with this top knot bun, I took some braid hair, and you can just buy any type of braid hair that you want to use to do your bun. Now, when it comes to creating the top knot, I did a like rope twist, whatever you want to call it, because it looks like one of those tied up ropes, knotted ropes, those thick ropes. That's what it looks like to me. So I just did that 2-stranded twist like thing all the way down, and I used a rubber band at the end. I saw a girl that did this top knot bun on her hair. She used a rubber band just to secure it so it won't come undone. So I used that rubber band just to wrap it so the rope wouldn't come undone, if that makes sense. I hope I be making sense, y'all. I know I be kind of sounding a little slow when I be trying to do voiceovers, but bear with me, girl. Bear with me. But anyways, the bun itself, like that one bundle of braid hair, is okay if you like that thin of a knot bun, top knot bun. But I like my buns a little thick, so I went in with a second bundle of braid hair, and I used a hair bow wrapper this time. I know I'm country. I used a hair bow wrapper this time just to grip it onto that first knot, and I did the same thing, took it down and created like a rope twist, and that gave me that top knot bun. It's a thick one, but it was really, really cute. Like, you can do this even if you just want to wear something like a cute, simple bun hairstyle when you want to look elegant or something. I like buns because buns are kind of like elegant. You can make them elegant, or you can make them like just girl, casual, you know. No, we don't know, Cat. I know. Anyways, that's about it. I didn't even give my hair time to dry. I didn't let that edge control dry down this time because I was going somewhere. I don't know where I was going. Yeah, I would probably was just going to my couch, but I just wanted to look decent, and I didn't feel the need to let it sit overnight, like let my hair just dry or anything, because where you going? You ain't going nowhere, B. You in the house. So anyways, that's about it. That's how I came up with this. Well, I didn't come up with the hairstyle, but that's how I did it. Now, I did forget about this. I did take some bobby pins just to make sure it was going to be secure, just in case if I would have sat outside or something, the wind wasn't going to blow my little bun off my head, because that would have been embarrassing. And girl, we don't want that to happen. So get you some bobby pins and make sure you secure it down. And yeah, that's it. And that is how I got this simple, easy hairstyle. If you're going to try it, let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah, and that's about it. I did take a thing and wrap my head. Girl, I'm doing them. Look, I should have rewatched this before I did this voiceover. But anyways, that's it, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.